Welcome to Seattle and welcome back to Yachtlands, where we are always exploring the world's most distinctive yachts frame by frame. And today we are aboard Esencia, a 65-foot Pacific Mariner that blends long-range cruising comfort with the ability to hit over 20 knots. She is built for some serious cruising adventures in style. We are fortunate to have with us Ray Prokorym, Managing Director at Worth Avenue Yachts, to give us the full tour. Take it away, Ray.
Good afternoon, and welcome aboard to this tour of Esencia. The 65 Pacific Mariner is a 2003 and has been lovingly cared for the past 13 years with the owner, who's taken great care of it. These boats are extremely popular in the Northwest. It's American-built hull. It has 3 beautiful staterooms along with 3 heads. Really voluminous interior with great layout. This boat was refit a couple of years ago with new interior, new soft goods, and as you'll see, she shows really well. Perfect. Take us aboard. The Aft Deck area, and it's great to have all your guests sit here. It's fully enclosed with ice and glass to protect you from the weather or the wind, and it also all rolls up and clears out, so on a sunny day, you can really enjoy the weather.
Really expansive. What is the beam?
The beam is 17.3, and you'll see we use up quite a bit of that beam here on the Aft Deck. We're in the Salon of the 65 Pacific Mariner Esencia. It has been refit a couple years ago with new soft goods, very comfortable. The thing is in excellent condition. This boat, even though she's a 2003, is ahead of its time. Large windows that let in a tremendous amount of light, so it's a very comfortable place. It's got a nice access to the back deck with a very small threshold. There's a large entertaining area here in the front of the salon with TV, stereo entertainment, ice maker, and refrigerator. It's a great place to spend time.
Just beautiful. It's a spectacular fit and finish. And I don't think it can be overstated just how much light comes in and how much room you feel like you have in here. It's absolutely beautiful.
Here we are in the galley of the 65 Pacific Mariner Esencia. It's refit with new appliances. It is in excellent condition, well cared for, and it's open to the pilot house. So it's a very convivial place to spend time. Plenty of seating for your guests here at the large L settee. There's twin stid chairs here, so both you, whoever's running the boat, and the guests can see out. It's got great updated electronics, fully functional. The boat is stabilized. Everything is easy to get to. It has a port and a starboard access to the side decks, so it's easy to get out and handle lines and fenders. This boat is super well fitted for an owner operator. A couple can run this boat quite easily. Well laid out, great visibility, and really nice sight lines here on the 65 Pacific Mariner.
Exceptional visibility.
There's 3 cabins down below as you make your way down the stairs. The master stateroom is aft. Got a twin cabin here to port, and it shares the head with the day head people that need it, and forward there's a VIP with its own head and shower.
Nice and roomy. The headroom is fantastic.
Ahead of its time. The room is
Absolutely.
really generous.
The guest head with the same beautiful fit and finish, making our way into the VIP stateroom. Beautiful, warm cherry wood finish, queen size island, walk around berth, large hole size portholes, flood the room with natural light, overhead recessed lighting and gorgeous high gloss cabinetry, obviously crafted with Pacific Mariner's attention to detail.
The master is really well appointed, as you'll see.
Full beam master, quietly tucked into the heart of Esencia. Warm cherry wood, soft light, lovely, if not elegant, vanity. King size berth, surrounded by cabinetry with loads of storage. Light spills in from both sides through the generous hull windows, changing the mood of the room as the day moves on, I imagine. And just beyond a private en suite, stone counters, walk-in shower with full tub, the finishing touch to a cabin made for the kind of voyage you remember. Heading back up and through the pilot house, take a look at the Flybridge.
Take a look at the Flybridge. Well outfitted with 2 helm chairs, nice generous seating area, great visibility. It's got a hardtop, which was an option that year.
Yeah, that's excellent. And the visibility is just absolutely fantastic. This was refit when?
Refit 2 years ago.
2 years ago.
And there's access to the rear ladder, so you can get back to the back deck from the boat deck.
Which isn't just for holding the tender, though the 14-foot Rendova isn't up here right now. It's launched by this 1,500-pound hydraulic davit. And when she's in the water, though, you've got an expanse of open deck. Let's make our way back down into the aft deck, and we'll check out the engine room.
How things are looking down here.
Looks like a full-size washer dryer, fridge, nice big crew bunk as you enter into the engine room.
The engine room on the Pacific Mariner 65, 3406E Caterpillars in excellent condition, well maintained. All the services are up to date.
Standing room, engine room, that's great.
Twin generators, 20 kW and a 12. They have good redundancy. The water maker is easy to get to.
This is an outstanding engine room. It's just so well laid out. You can get to everything. Very well done. Let's go check out the bow.
Sure.
Okay. We'll exit out through the pilot house door. Huge, wide walk around. High railing. This is the place to be. Great windlass, anchor, beautiful sun pad, and just beautiful traditional lines. Absolutely gorgeous. Go back in and find Ray. Ray, I can't thank you enough for taking the time to get us aboard Esencia, beautiful Pacific Mariner. We are going to have contact information for you and links to information on the boat. Leave comments for Ray, leave comments for us. Let us know what you think of this special boat.
Thank you.
Thank you.